In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on eBay, a comprehensive buyer's guide for ensuring that your purchases meet expectations and, if not, how to get your money back efficiently. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step clearly and precisely so you can navigate the process seamlessly. First, let's get started by logging into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you can access your account details and purchase history. After signing in, you'll need to locate your purchase history. Simply click on My eBay in the upper right corner of the homepage. From there, select Purchase History. This section is going to show you a list of all your eBay purchases, and you need to identify the particular order for which you want to request a refund. Once you've found the order in question, it's time to initiate the return or refund request. Right next to the item, there's an option labeled More Actions. Click it, and you'll see the choices to either return this item or request a refund. Select the one that suits your needs and provide the reason for your request. Whether it's because the item was not as described, it arrived defective, or perhaps it never arrived at all. Now, although this step is optional, it's often worthwhile to first try contacting the seller to resolve the issue amicably. eBay provides an option to message the seller directly. Often, sellers are quick to issue refunds to preserve their positive ratings and customer relations, so this step could save you some time and effort. However, if reaching out to the seller doesn't work, or if they refuse to honor your request unfairly, you have the safety net of the eBay money back guarantee. Through this program, you can escalate the case, and if your claim is deemed valid, eBay will step in and issue a refund on your behalf, provided you meet the eligibility criteria. For refunds that are approved, they're directed back to your original payment method, which could be your PayPal account, credit or debit card, or direct bank transaction. Typically, you can expect the processing time to be around 3 to 5 business days following the seller's approval or after eBay resolves the case in your favor. Lastly, to stay updated on the status of your refund request, you can track the progress under My eBay in the Purchase History section. Additionally, eBay will keep you informed by sending notification emails ensuring you're in the loop at every stage. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to request a refund on eBay and make sure your shopping experience remains positive. Thank you for joining me today, and happy buying.